Hello there, my name's Miles Pitcher. I'm excited to tell you today about a loan program that specifically helps with manufactured homes. Now, if you haven't seen my first video on manufactured homes, it's a great intro video. It goes through a lot of details of the basic parameters of financing a manufactured home. I'll put a link for that video down in the comments. But today I want to introduce you to a loan product called MH Advantage. And what this is a product that Fannie Mae has come out with the intention of bringing the loan and the home closer to what a stick-built single-family home is like and the financing on it. So just as a reminder, a manufactured home is a home that is designed and built in a factory. It's brought in sections or pieces to the property site, craned onto the foundation, and installed there. It is built to the zoning codes, the building codes, and so it's a really cool loan and it's a cool product. The improvements in manufactured homes over the years have been amazing, and there are some really good looking manufactured homes available. But in this specific loan product, MH Advantage, they require the manufacturer to include some additional features to it. So let's start going through this. So first of all, we can do this as a purchase and a refinance, as little as 3% down if you're doing it as a primary residence. There are two pieces to working with, and that's working with a lender and a manufacturer. You would work with the manufacturer if you are purchasing a brand new one that they will install and put on maybe a lot or a piece of ground that you already own. If you find one that's an existing home that's for sale, it's maybe in a new subdivision, then you can work directly with a lender on doing that. It does have a possibility of having reduced PMI, private mortgage insurance, if you work through the Home Ready loan program. On a primary residence, you can go up to 97% loan to value, which means 97% of the appraised value. That's your 3% down. If you're doing this as a second home, you can go up to 90%. Investment properties are not allowed. Cash out refinances can happen on your primary residence, but you can only go up to 65% of the appraised value. 620 or higher on the credit score is required. The higher, the better. I did want to mention and show over here on the side, as of January, this is the list of approved manufacturers who are building MH Advantage approved manufactured homes. Okay. So how do you know if the property you're looking at is MH Advantage eligible? You will see on the home some tags or plates mounted on there. The bottom left shows what the HUD or Housing and Urban Development tag looks like. That will be there. And then there will be this additional Fannie Mae notice applied to it. They started doing this June of 2018. So if the home's older than that, no chance of seeing it. But if you are buying an existing home and you see this tag in there, you are eligible, or the property is eligible for this loan program, the MH Advantage. So part of it is the architectural and site design requirements. They want them looking more like a normal single family home. And so they will not do single wides, but a multi-section home, double wide, triple wide, yes, they will. Some of the things that they have requirements on, and I won't go into all the details on it, but the eaves, the roof pitch, having dormers, attached garages, carports, or a covered porch. There are energy efficiency standards, siding requirements. And then as far as the site goes, they do have requirements for a driveway to be there and a sidewalk to be there to approach the front door. So if you're looking at this, what are the next steps? So number one, give us a call and get pre-qualified. You need to have a pre-qualification letter in hand to make sure you're getting pre-qualified. You can afford the home, you know what your monthly payment is. Then as you start shopping, look for existing or new manufactured homes that are after June 2018 and have that tag on there. That's a huge advantage. And then you also need to make sure as you're looking, this will help you find the right places. You need to make sure that the home is set on a permanent foundation and that the ground is included in the sale of the property. There are many times we get people who call and say, hey, we're trying to buy this home, but the ground is a land lease. It's owned by the park owner, and then you pay a fee to rent the land. Those will not work. You have to own the ground, and the home has to be set on a permanent foundation for this loan program. If you decide maybe you have a lot that you want to put this home on, and then you'll go to a manufacturer. Still get pre-qualified, take in our letter with you, and then you start working with the manufacturer on designing the home that you want. They can do the whole installation, which means they put the foundation in. If they need to tie into the sewer system, they'll do that, or install a septic system, they'll do that. And then the home gets built in the factory, ships out, and then they do the proper installation that meets Fannie Mae guidelines. And then you can close and do this MH Advantage. Again, this will give you a better monthly payment on this loan product than doing the standard conventional manufactured home loan. Okay, that's the goal here, is to provide better affordability and better products in the manufactured home. So let me know if you have any questions on this. We're always happy to help. This is a hot topic with our clients. Here's my contact info. You can always reach out to us, and my team is always happy to answer questions. Thank you.